So Balaji, going to stay with you if I may for the next one. So definitely a big theme here around how do you use these partner performance dashboards with partners. Have you evidence or experience that you can share where you've used these dashboards either for business planning at the start of the financial year with partners or through QBR meetings and have actually got feedback that it is helping the engagement and the business drive growth with your partners?
Yeah, absolutely. Thanks for the question. Let me actually start with sort of take a step back a little bit before I specifically answer your question. As you guys all know, right, many of you put together business plans with your partners. We don't do it with every partner, but we kind of use the 80-20 rule. And where's 80% of our engagement or revenue coming from? And it's usually those 20% of those partners, right? And we all feel good about it at the end of the year when we plan for next year, put together a business plan. It becomes a nice PowerPoint document. And then if you're lucky, you might have a QBR every quarter, sometimes not. And all of a sudden it's 5 months into the year, 6 months into the year, and finally looking at it then with the partner and saying, holy smokes, right? We're either doing, the good news might be we're doing really well, but against the plan, or many times, we're not doing as well against the plan. And so these dashboards, these partner performance dashboards, give us that ability to avoid that scenario where you're not looking at it for 3, 4, 5 months, and allows sort of this, again, that rich visual experience to be able to provide something on a real-time basis to not only internally, but also externally to our partners. And it allows that channel sales manager, that channel account manager to be able to work with his or her partner on a much more frequent basis to share with them, here are the KPIs that we agreed upon that we're measuring. Here are how we're doing against those KPIs. Here are some of the things we need to put in place to either improve those KPIs or maybe even make some mid-course corrections along the way. So it becomes much more real-time. It becomes much more proactive use and management of partners. And I can tell you, in the dashboard that we have put together and in our partner portal, I have a partner advisory council that we meet every quarter. There's 8 of them on that advisory council, and we specifically asked them about this particular place where they could go and see how they're doing against their revenue goals, against their learning training goals, against their are they earning any rebates? Are they using their MDF appropriately? Those kinds of things. And so the feedback that we got from our partner advisory council was a very, very strong affirmation and congratulations to us, saying this is fantastic. It allows us to be much more engaged with you, and it's a one-stop shopping for us now to be able to come in. So the ease of doing business with them, the ease of management with them, I think has increased quite a bit. And internally then also our channel sales manager can basically, on a Zoom call or now a little bit more in person, go there, bring up the dashboard and show it to them right up front and be able to go through everything with them. So it provides that consistency, it provides that real-time engagement with the partner, which increases loyalty, ease of doing business, everything that we want, right? And it allows you to really focus on the things that you need to focus on and make any mid-course corrections and change things along in a proactive manner. So again, that's the power of having data at your fingertips and being able to have a dashboard that allows you to do that properly. Make sense?
It does, and I think tremendous advice there, Balaji, as well, to take that 80-20 rule, but also then to augment your own thinking behind this with the partner advisory council. That's a very useful tip takeaway as well for the audience. Super.
John, can I just build on something Balaji said, which I thought was quite key? The most expensive resource I've got is the high touch sales team and the channel sales people. All right, they're absolutely my most expensive resource. And we have partner account managers or channel account managers, to Kenneth's point, whatever the vernacular is. And some of them have 1 account or 2 accounts, and some of them got 10 or 20. I think the great thing about a dashboard is it really democratizes. It's a great democracy as to how they're actually performing. And then you can really see, I think, with the dashboard, if the partner's dropping off, or where is it they're dropping off. And, you know, sometimes you just can't fix it, and it's nothing you've done wrong. They've gone through some type of change or whatever. And at that point, I move the resource around, that's for sure, because it does really help you to make sure you get the absolute best utilization of your most expensive assets. And so I think the dashboards are absolutely critical for maximizing resource, because I don't suppose there's anyone that's going to complain I've got too much resource, that's for sure.
No, very, very valid point, Jeremy. Yeah, great. Okay, so let's get a view of the audience then, Brenda, please, then with our final poll. Anybody that has a partner performance dashboard, have you found that it has helped improve business planning or even QBRs with your partners?
Okay, votes are still coming in. And there's a definite clear winner for this one as well. So, and again, last chance to find out if you have any questions, just pop them in and we'll be getting to them shortly. Okay, I'm going to close that off there now, John, and pass it back to you.